Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today, let's take a look at maintenance. Take a look at this root system that came out of a French drain. Without cleaning these lines, you're going to face these problems in just a few years. Tree roots, they penetrate through everything, whether it's corrugated pipe, thin wall PVC, or even Schedule 40 PVC, roots can get into that line. You know what makes it even worse is when you wrap that system with fabric, because the water really can't get through that fabric fast enough, so the soil stays extremely moist. Those roots, they just love that moist soil and they penetrate right through it. Cleaning this line, now you have a free-flowing drain.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Today we're going to be putting a clean out on a 4-inch pipe that's coming from underneath that pool deck out through here. So what we're doing is we're digging up to find out where that line is, and we have a little tip for you. When you're trying to find that line and you don't know exactly where it is, you should dig a lateral trench, and you can see that we started over here. We came across until we found the line. Just digging a random hole doesn't really work. We know the line came straight down through the pool, right down through the deck. It's coming straight out. So we found that line, and Telly's just exposing it because we're going to put a clean out on there as well. Okay, so we've got our line exposed, and what we're going to do is put this T down on here. You got to make sure that you cut out enough that you're able to get your hacksaw in here to cut this pipe. Pretty much just cut clear through it. Make a measurement for your other side of the pipe. Then cut through that side. If possible. So there's our piece that we're taking out to make our insert. We're going to put a T on it. This is the hard part. But corrugated pipe compresses, so maybe we can push it together. So this will be our finished clean out. And basically, they can just pull this apart. However they pull it apart is fine with me. There are screw-in caps, so we're just going to use it like this. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and clean this line with our machine. Go back up underneath that pool deck. So let's pull that machine over here. The reason that we're cleaning the line is because the water has been backing up underneath of their deck. There are catch basins under their deck that the pool paving people put underneath. They paved over those catch basins, and of course when it rains hard, the water's coming up through those catch basins and taking the sand out from around the pavers. So we're going to send the cable down through the line to see what kind of stoppage or blockage and what's causing that problem. And you'll notice as I run the cable, you'll hear the machine change pitches. It'll start to sound different. That means I'm hitting a problem. We will dig it up there to find out what is going on. I have the cable out about 25 to 30 feet, and it's beginning to bog down.
And although it looks like I'm pushing that cable through there, really it's just getting stuck. So this is the area that we're going to locate the pipe and dig it up. This is what the pipe looks like as you're digging in the clay. It's kind of hard to see it. Now we've exposed it, and you can see how quickly and easily I can cut that pipe with the shovel. This takes a little practice, but if you've got a good, strong, sharp shovel, you can easily cut that pipe. Now we're going to expose that pipe and pull it out and replace the section that has collapsed. I'm going to show you what it looks like, what a collapsed pipe looks like here as we pull it out. You'll take a look and see. Okay, you can see what has caused this to collapse is that the pipe was underneath of a sewer line, and as it was backfilled, when they backfilled this area to build that pool, they definitely crushed that line. So now we're cleaning out that trench. We've got to make a nice clean trench, go a little deeper so that we have a good piece of pipe to lay through there and make our connections.
Okay, so we've made our new connection across. It goes under this sewer line where the pipe was collapsed. This was the pipe that was collapsed. And you can see inside here what it looks like when it collapses. That's the inside. Here's the outside, totally out of round to that. So that's why we had to dig it up and replace it. So now we're going to go ahead and cover it up. We're going to keep some pressure on it so that we can start to get covered. Once we get some of the dirt on it, it'll cover it right up. And we're all set to cover.
Okay, so now we pull the cable back, put the machine away, and we'll reassemble the cleanout, and we'll be able to backfill here in just a few seconds.
Our assembly for the clean out. Now I'm just going to backfill it, and the Bobcat is going to go ahead and cover the rest of
it. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.